If you're an Assurance Wireless customer with a new phone, or new to Assurance Wireless and bringing your own phone, you'll need to install one of our SIM cards to make your phone work. We'll show you how. First, remove the case and turn the power off. Some phones have a SIM card tray along the edge, like this one. You can find it by searching for a small hole, usually on the left side. Insert the SIM tool into the hole until the tray pops out. A paper clip works too. If you can't find a hole, the SIM card slot is probably inside the back cover, like this phone. You'll need to remove the cover. Find a small notch at the bottom right-hand corner. Use your fingertip or a coin to pop it open. Here's the SIM card slot next to the battery. If there's an old SIM card in the slot, remove it. SIM cards come in 3 sizes. Choose the new SIM card that fits your slot perfectly, and carefully pop it out. Nano is the smallest and most common size, but your phone might need a micro or standard size. If your phone's like this one, insert your new SIM card with the gold side down and the cut corner matching the small image. See? Now replace your back cover. If your phone has a tray like this one, insert the new SIM card with the gold side down and the cut corner matching the shape of the tray, like that, and push it back into place. Now it's time to power up with Assurance Wireless.